Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Shrimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine Namaste Sarasvate Deve Gauravani Pracharne Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarne. The Srila Prabhupada Devastakam composed by Kushakrata Prabhu, with the translation that he had made poetically rendered into English by Dravida Prabhu. So I'll read one verse in Sanskrit and then the English rendition, like this. Already there? Shri Shri Navadvipa Para Pradipa Sandipyamana Satato Bhuviha Chetaschamohanti Yasya Yatnan Namami Tang Shri Prabhupada Devam. The transcendental lamp of Navadvipa Gauranga Dev, he took with great endeavor around rhyming. The transcendental lamp of Navadvip Gauranga Dev, he took with great endeavor around the world the souls to save, who long had dwelt in darkness, never chanting Krishna's name. The vast renown of Srila Prabhupada I now proclaim. The transcendental lamp of Navadvip Gauranga Dev, he took with great endeavor around the world the souls to save, who long had dwelt in darkness, never chanting Krishna's name. The vast renown of Srila Prabhupada I now proclaim. Shri Bhakti Siddhanta Prajotita Shri Vyasadya Kosham Kushalang Kripalu Sanlecchavagadesha Chaye Dadhadyas Namami Tang Shri Prabhupada Devam. The sacred treasure left by Vyasa and other learned saints, he rendered into English free of speculations' taints, and thus he mercifully fulfilled Sri Saraswati's aim. The vast renown of Srila Prabhupada I now proclaim. Achadyate yat paratarka drishya Govinda Murtyujvala Bhaskarena Advaiti Kadyota Kulam Jagatyam Namami Tang Shri Prabhupada Devam. The brilliant sun of Lord Govinda's form is shining bright throughout this world because of his sharp logic's awesome might. That sun makes all the Mayavadi glowworms hide in shame. The vast renown of Srila Prabhupada I now proclaim. Yasyaiva yatnena purana raja gangamala keshava keli hangsa satstotra ratna vahiti haloke namami tang Shri Prabhupada Devam. Oh, I can't find the verse. The pristine gems of the Bhagavatam flows everywhere because of his great effort. In that stream, the sages' prayers are gems, and Krishna's pastimes are swans sporting unrestrained. The vast renown of Srila Prabhupada I now proclaim. Shri Radhika Krishna Padaravinde Sahasra Hritsu Shatamandireshu Aropayadyo Madhure Pritivyam Namami Tang Shri Prabhupada Devam. Ensuring that his mission's victory would be complete, he planted Sri Sri Radha Krishna's charming lotus feet in temples by the dozen and in countless hearts unchained. The vast renown of Srila Prabhupada I now proclaim. Kaushalya Yasya Sahasra Shastra Shastrati Varshai Pratihanyate Chanda Kale Moha Chamur Hartena Namami Tam Shri Prabhupada Devam. The fierce and formidable army led by wicked Kali is being slain by arrow showers, volley upon volley. Those arrows are his all-auspicious books of spotless fame, the vast renown of Srila Prabhupada I now proclaim. Nanala Sadgaura Sudha Prakasha Palakshito Stapita Eva Yena Krishnānuchinta Jana Sangha Vrikshas Namami Tam Shri Prabhupada Devam. The Hare Krishna movement's a desire tree whose fruits are all the splendid ways Lord Gaura's army wins recruits. To plant that tree upon the earth from Krishna's realm he came, the vast renown of Srila Prabhupada I now proclaim. Yo nityada jivati daivikishu nijasu shikshasu sahanugami kripam buddhyananda sutashritatma namami tam Shri Prabhupada Devam. An ocean of compassion he has taken shelter of Sri Nanda's son with all his being in everlasting love. He lives on by his words, with him his followers remain. The vast renown of Srila Prabhupada I now proclaim. I pray that those who hear this hymn which shines the brilliant light I pray that those who hear this hymn which shines the brilliant light of Srila Prabhupada's renown in Kali Yuga's night will soon attain firm faith in his instructions, so that they may one day join him in Golok and there with Krishna stay.